Alright, now I figured I guess I should give some context to some things before we go any further. Now, if you guys remember my Nissan Silvia, you'll know that probably one of the worst condition things on the car is the poor front bumper. The thing's super cracked, it's definitely split in certain areas, and I actually got a brand new OEM one, hand delivered all the way from your boy Harrison from Bend, Oregon. Now, that bumper is meanwhile getting painted, and I'm about to go pick it up, but before I do that, I figured that we might as well, for all entertainment purposes, have a little bit of fun with the current raggedy front bumper on the car, because this bumper is not resellable. S-chassis bumpers aren't crazy expensive. I feel like you might as well just, you know, if you're in the market for a new one, just get a new one rather than buy this old freaking cracked up one. So with that all said and kept in mind, I present to you guys Silvia front bumper destruction.
Okay.
Alright. That did nothing. We need more weight.
This looks like a task for the Meisters, the quote-unquote Meisters. Real Meisters would probably be too light for this.
Oh. Dude, it brought up a bunch of paint.
Oh my.
Look out.
It just moves the whole car.
Alright, this is a pretty strong bumper. I mean, we're doing some real, like, firm bullying to
This is a weird way to do paint correction.
Yeah. Dude, this is just not even, this is completely separate. Dude, look at this. It's like completely split down here. Yeah, no. Dude, I can't even make it worse with my own hand. Oh, there we go. We are Whistling Diesel destroying it.
Tooth out of it.
It just separated this part so much worse. Yeah,
How
this one's...
scratched the bumper.
Oh, this is like picking up eggshells.
It didn't really do that much.
It's unkillable. Stupid. Shall we try the curb test?
I feel like we have to. Oh!
Oh no!
I wouldn't do more than that. Back up.
Hey, you know what that did though? That helped immediately break off the zip. Dude, it's so easy now. I just need to hit it from the other side, break off that zip tie.
Honestly, don't even put the other side back on, just drag the bumper. It's gonna come off when it... Yeah. You see the whole bumper go under the car. Oh my God.
That's a very good thing. Something's gonna happen when you fix the drain.
Oh.
Oh, any beach stuff.
I was expecting to literally run it over.
With the drain?
Yeah, like with anything. I don't know how that's still hanging on.
It's like when you're like pulling a tooth as a kid and it's just holding on by a thread.
Oh, it's being held on like a nerve or whatever.
Yeah.
We're disconnected.
He disconnected.
We're disconnected. Dude, I swear, people just keep putting stuff in my way when I'm trying to park. It's really annoying.
It's under there.
Oh, it's under there? Shit, let me back up real quick. Is it still?
Yeah, you kind of just...
You're dragging it now. Wait for them to go by.
Here, hold up. There.
I heard cracking, but it's still in shape.
Wait, go back over it.
One time. Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh.
They're just got rubber paint. Yeah. Yeah, that did it. Kinda. I hope he hasn't enlisted us to clean this up. Oh my. Okay, yeah, that did it. Clean up crew.
I think it's safe to say that did it.
Yeah, that.
Okay, yeah, now it looks like we had a literal war zone in my truck. We've done more damage to the yard than the freaking bumper itself.
Just don't question, don't question.
You know, there's gonna be people in the comment section that are probably gonna be like, "Yeah, why would you do that? That was repairable."
There always is. But in this video, unlike other videos, we're actually gonna fix the destruction that we caused. It's gonna look better than ever. Question is, will this bumper fit in the Raptor? I'm sure everyone's guessing, like, why aren't we using the bed? Well, the bed has all the bed liner and stuff, and this is like freshly repainted by my man Derek. I know. That should work.
Think so?
Oh, easy, easy. Thanks, man.
right,
Shout out
brother.
to Derek right here.
I got
Freaking
you.
got the job done as always. Will do. Now the new parts are all cozy, safe and sound. They get to freaking reside in the cabin in here with me. Don't have to worry about the old bed getting all scratched up in there. Come here, I want you to smell this. I got all the parts sitting in here. Now, smell-o-vision viewers, you unfortunately don't know. It just smells like paint.
It just smells like a new car.
Well, I don't know about that. It's literally like a strong paint smell, like all inside the whole cabin. I don't even think new cars have this much of a just paint smell to them. But it definitely, I mean, it's not a bad smell.
It smells like a new car. That's
It's not a bad smell. Is it a healthy smell? I don't think so.
No, no.
It's probably like Sharpie, how that's not good to freaking shove up your nostrils. Okay.
Fumes you should not inhale.
There is no paint on the seat. Nope. Dude, this bumper is so nice compared to, it's so flexible. How does paint flex? Don't ask me. I don't know how paint flexes.
Oh, okay. I see studs.
I mean, it's sort of fitted. It's definitely a lot nicer than the old bumper. The problem is that there's a freaking way bigger gap right here. So right here, there should be studs that protrude out that pretty much fully mount the bumper into these holes, which are right in their headlights, and I believe that allows it to actually sit a lot higher and flush with the lights set up. Now, if we look right here, here are the studs on the old one, and this is actually a removable piece that you just gotta unbolt, and then we could then remount it onto here. So I'm so glad we're still able to use our remains of the old bumper to help fit the new one, and we didn't fully toss it just yet. Dustin's got the other side. He's struggling over there a little bit.
Oh, that is the one I need. Conveniently not fell on the floor.
Hell yeah. Is there a nut on the other side though?
Yes.
Oh, okay, what size? Is that like a 10?
It's literally hand tightened so I can just hold it.
Oh. We finally have freaking magical studs that are now installed on the new bumper using same ones from the old one.
Oh, they're gonna smell like burnt plastic up in here.
Yeah. Come on now. Making progress, one angle at a time.
Okay, your bumper's running away from you.
So here's our consensus. We have the lights in, we have it fully mounted on, but it sags like an incredible amount in the front. An unhealthy amount of gap. I'm thinking right now the only thing to solve this issue, which is what we did on the S14 to help its bumper sit flush, is to get a bash bar that kind of goes right under here, and then that'll hold that up and bring that up a lot more. Might have to go full drift boy on this thing.
I'm gonna go hit up the boys at True Focus Fab and see if they could get myself a bash bar for this, because that is definitely, I think, the solution. Even if you like try and make brackets to support this up, it's not gonna be supported evenly, but one long bar that goes through, and then even if the bash bar itself doesn't help, we could put a pool noodle around the bash bar. As silly as that sounds, it literally adds freaking styrofoam to help give it some more volume to fill up that gap. That'll solve that. But because we can't get a bash bar immediately, we're gonna try and make the most of the rest of this video, and Dustin's gonna whip out his caulk. Whoa! Oh, you just hit my car with your caulk? We're gonna frickin' double side tape and caulk on this frickin' roof wing onto the back. I know I'm not the strongest guy in the world, but like this barely wants to come. It like hurts my thumb to try and push this out. So this is a new tactic. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll do it.
Reminds me of those toys. Remember when we were younger, where you would like push the Play-Doh through and it would like make noodles or something?
Dude, Play-Doh in itself. I haven't probably touched Play-Doh in like 10 years. Damn, whatever happened to that? Do kids growing up now still play with Play-Doh? That's my question.
No, they play with Fortnite.
They play with Tide Pods. You only got one shot.
One opportunity.
You know what's funny is that I found this out about the S14. You can see where the caulk is making contact by going in the back seats and looking up. Because it's a window underneath, so it is like visible.
Let's see if I can get an angle on it. I don't think I got it.
Oh, that is hot boy as hell. Every like stance car needs a roof spoiler. And I say stance car, which is why my Skyline doesn't have one, because it's a more functional look right now. I don't know, I've always been torn in between if I think that car needs it or not, but definitely these two. These two look freaking
I just
sick.
want you to put a wing like that on it, bro.
Yeah, at the most, if I were to do a trunk lip, it would be a trunk lip. It wouldn't be like, you know, a freaking chassis mount wing would literally destroy the style of this car, as well as like a very track wing. But like something really subtle.
Yeah, I was gonna say like a
maybe
lip.
a little lip or just like an overhang. I don't know. Even though this car might have started out in this video not looking its best, it is now looking a whole lot better. Not perfect, but we now have a fresh new bumper on there. Overall, this car has come a long way, like in its subtlety. It's not the craziest transformation you wouldn't think. Oh, we still got it. Yeah, we got the bumper is not like bolted on. Ignore that. But it came with no interior whatsoever. We completely slammed it on the ground, and now we're fixing up various body panels here and there. So, I mean, dude, that is rad. Especially next to this. Both look sick. And on this note, I'm gonna sign off the video. Boop. Must use caulk. Don't forget, I didn't use caulk on this one, and the roof spoiler literally flew off on the freeway. There's photo for memory.
Wait, okay. Was this Brennan's doing?
Oh, that was my birthday present from Austin.
Okay.
I decided, you know, I'm gonna be a nice guy. I'm not gonna let my birthday presents like go to waste, you know.
That's so funny.